Hey guys, Mixed Media Girl here. So happy Valentine's Day. I wanted to just take some time to do some hopefully cute coasters with the conversation hearts. I don't know anyone that actually eats these. I'm sure there are. If you're one of the people that eats these, let me know in the comments. But I thought they would potentially be very cute in some resin coasters. Now, I'm sure people have done this, and I should have probably Googled it to find out if it would work or not even, because I know not all candies will work, but we're going to go ahead and just try it out and hope for the best. I'm using some of these kind of agate egg-shaped coasters. I'm not sure how I feel about them entirely. They're kind of strange, but they do kind of go along with spring also, which, you know, the hearts are kind of pastel, so I think that'll work. I'm going to go ahead and hit this with a heat gun, and I am using Mixed Media Girl Artist resin, by the way. Alright, so I've got the initial resin in there, and I got at least most of the air bubbles out. So let's go ahead. I think I'm going to try to have them. These are coasters that could go either direction. So I'm going to have them kind of go, I want them all to face the same direction. And so I guess in this case, this will be the top of these. And of course the printing on these isn't great. But either way, I'm just going to do a single layer of these. So I'll go ahead and speed this up because it'll probably take me a minute to get them all laid down flat. Alright, I think I got these pretty well filled, and they don't seem to be floating up, which is good. So I'm going to put just a little more clear resin over them, and then I'm going to hit them with the heat gun one more time, and then we're going to just leave them to cure. And then we'll come back when they are cured. So I don't think you need to be here for the heat gun. So we'll just be back in a little while. All right, we're back. These are dry, so they peel out very easily. And look how cute. So they're cute on both sides, and you can really put the words facing whichever direction you want. As you can see, they're not printed that well, but hey, it works. You work with what you got, you know? Went a little bit over on this one, it looks like. That's okay. So there you have it. Valentine's Conversation Heart Coasters. Super easy to make. These don't leak out or anything. They maintain very well. Very fun and easy Valentine's Day project. So I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I will see you all next time.